hit the beat the clock, you can get that bass overload. I got the rock and roll, I got future flow.
The digital spit, next level visual hit. I got the boom boom boom, I'm gonna be back boom boom boom.
I like that boom boom pow, then we can jump in my style. They try to copy my throttle, I'm on that next thing now. I'm so 2008, you're so 2008. I got that boom boom boom, that future boom boom boom. Let's get it out. Boom boom boom, come on. Boom boom boom, boom boom boom, boom boom boom.
Tonight's the night, let's live it up. I got my money, let's spend it up. Go out and smash it, like oh my god. Jump off that sofa, let's kick it.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Here to rock, light a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures, I just wanna take some shots. So come on, let's go, let's lose control. Let's do it all night till we can do no more.
Keep on rocking to the sound, turn it up and watch it pound. We go rocking to the top until the roof is burning down.
Good time, having a good time with you. I'm telling you.
Now baby, don't you stop it, stop it. Now baby, don't you stop it, stop it. Now baby, don't you stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Even if you wanted to, you couldn't stop us now. Don't stop the party.
You call me crazy man, every day I'm partying. You can find me at the club, bumping bottles, mingling.
Ladies dancing to the jam, acting all day man oh man. Got me in the mood again, at the party, partying.
I ain't gonna stop until I die. I ain't gonna quit, or should I try? Don't stop the party. Don't stop, 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 stop. Don't stop the party. Don't stop, 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 stop. Don't stop the party. Don't stop, 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 stop. Don't stop the party. Don't stop, 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 stop. Don't stop the party.
Ladies and gentlemen, the UP Varsity Pep Squad, the FAU Dance Company, the Adamson Cast, the Maneuvers, the EB Babes, Sex Cycle Mind, EB Babes Seda, Heart Evangelista, and your EB Dabarkads, Pauline Luna, Isa Calzado, Kim Pitaleon as Taboo, Julia Clarete as Fergie, Jose Manalo as Apple the App, and Michael V as Will I Am.
Lamang ka lang isang paligog eh.
Okay. Dali, kilala ko ito eh.
Ala.
Ito si Ataol de App. all the up. Eto si Will. Will you please give me arms? Nalilimos na to. Okay.
Kala ko lang wala isang paligo kaya. Okay kayo, Sabado. Kakaibang concert dito nakikita nyo.
Okay,
Ibang
never
klase,
been
ha?
before.
Nakita mo yung concert sa Bulacan University. Tuloy-tuloy mamaya yan. Yung concert, meron pa mamaya sa Bulacan. Hindi lang itong concert dito.
Top hits yan. Top hits of today. Dito lang yan sa Itbulaga. Mamaya. Malamang letra niyan.
Ayun lang yung magkakaroon nga eh. So ito, huwag nyo palalampasin yan. Hanggang mamaya yung Bulacan concert, ha? Okay.
Matinding Saturday talaga ito dahil may Bulacan the concert na. May special edition pa ng Pamilyang Pinoy Henyo ngayong Sabado. Mga paborito niyong DJs from Barangay LS, Papa Dan at Papa Dudut. From Energy FM, Kathy G and Simon. And from Love Radio, Papa Jack and Nicole Hiala.
Tuloy niyo!
Hi! At para sa mga tabargat sa bahay na gusto ng isa pang round ng concert, pagkatapos ng Bulagaan the concert, at gustong mapanood ng live ang tunay na Black Eyed Peas sa concert kami yun. Mamaya, nasa Mall of Asia sila, and to make your sem break extra fun, abangan nyo lang ang kanilang gagawin, ang kailangan nyo gawin para manalo ng bronze.
Okay ka lang.
Okay lang, Zay.
Ang hihingal-hingal ba?
Because you know it's hard to speak in Tagalog because I really speak in English. Alright, so abangan nyo kung anong kailangan nyo gawin para manalo ng bronze tickets to the Black Eyed Peas concert. Malalaman nyo na yan in a few minutes. Start counting.
Ay, isang Sabado na puno na sorpresa. Nihanda namin para sa inyo. Sagot yan naming masayang sem break para sa inyo lahat. Kaya simulan na natin ang masayang Sabado na punong-puno ng sorpresa.
Mga dabarkat sa Barangay Sangdal, Lucia, San Juan. Pasok!
Papa Gods!
Pasok!
Ayan na, oh.
Guys! Hi, Broadway! Hello, bossing! Happy birthday, Mama! Chup-chup, knock-knock!
Okay. Lang, simula pa lang, painit na agad tayo. Takbuhan agad tayo.
Correct! Buwan na agad!
Oh, bayanihan na.
Wala lang siusi. Get well soon. Ano get well soon? Andun nga siya, oh. Andun ba? Oo, yung apple the egg. Ay, apple...
Apple day.
Apple the egg. Apple the apps.
Oh, yung mga tiga-barangay Chupachenes ng San Juan, Barangay Santa Lucia.